If you look deep in your mind, what do you say to yourself when you're alone? Every thought is forming a different emotion. What are you going to feel into your reality? Far beyond the reach of where your ego flies, your sacred thoughts are waiting there to come alive. So it's up to you what you think every minute, every day. You can choose what you're thinking inside. Yes, up to you what you choose when you're thinking, and what you say to yourself makes your world come to life. There is a path for every dream that you have, and there's no limit to how far you can go. No one controls your destiny. It's your thoughts, it's what you think that creates reality for you. Far beyond the reach of where your ego flies, your sacred thoughts are waiting there to come alive. So don't you hesitate to elevate your every thought and feeling and fly high into the space where you have victory. Yes, it's up to you what you think every minute, every day. You can choose what you're thinking inside. Yes, it's up to you what you choose when you're thinking, and what you say to yourself makes your world come alive. What do you say to yourself? What you say to yourself makes your world